Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dima Okike here, and today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can remove dental plaque on your teeth, also to whiten your teeth, how you can keep your teeth pure white with 2 or 3 simple ingredients that I'm about to share with you. Please keep on watching. If that looks like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. Ensure you watch this video to the end so that you can understand how I prepared this mixture. My first ingredient is charcoal. This is called shisha charcoal that is modified, foreign charcoal, so to say. People now package charcoal. For those of you who don't know what charcoal is, it is a light black carbon residue produced by strongly heating wood so as to drive off all water and other volatile constituents. Guys, if you know what charcoal is, let me know in the comment section below, please. These charcoal come in tablets. They have already pounded and molded them into tablets. They sure look like biscuits looking at them from the pack. Don't be so surprised. This is the normal charcoal you know. I'm just going to be using 1 tablet out of the pack. This charcoal tablet looks so smooth and beautiful, more than what you can see from the camera. So I'm going to be crushing this to show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to be crushing this in my mortar, my small mortar. Like I said, it's so easy to crush, as you can see. After crushing, I will transfer that into my clear bowl. My next ingredient is bicarbonate of soda, aka baking soda. Don't tell me you don't have this at home. So I'll be using that amount for this process. My next ingredient to add is salt, and I'll be using that amount as well. Next, I will stir that to combine and our tooth pack is ready. Get your toothbrush. I advise you get a separate toothbrush for this process. I will just dip that in a water and use that to fetch our charcoal mix like so. Guys, please ignore my face at this point because no one looks beautiful while brushing. If I'm telling lies, report in the comment section below. So I will use that to brush every nook and cranny of my mouth. Guys, this mix works wonders. I'm not even joking. This can be messy, but trust me, it works. My tip to you, after brushing with this, use your regular toothpaste as the last process. You will be amazed. Also, anytime you are brushing, always brush the roof of your mouth. You don't just brush your teeth, also brush the roof. This charcoal mix helps with fresh breath. It gives you fresh breath, whitens your teeth, and removes dental plaque. You can actually do the work of a dentist by yourself in the comfort of your home, and to think that it's inexpensive, oh my god. So guys, after brushing, I will wait for 30 seconds and then I will rinse off. So this is me after rinsing off. Be the judge in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Also, please share my videos with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Bye guys.